What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to do a quick video trying out this Helles lager brewed with lactose and strawberries from Woodland Empire. Let's check it out. So we're outside today because I'm in the process of moving, so it's a little bit different, but I hope you like it still. Let's go ahead and pour this beer.
Let's go.
I had to do that one-handed, so it's a little more foamy than I'd like, but still not too bad. It smells really nice. I definitely get that Helles smell out of it. Not so much strawberry, which I'm okay with. Don't like it too fruity, so that's fine. Yeah, that's where I get the lactose more. Not so much the strawberry, just very light, very hinty. Really good, I really like it. Yeah, definitely get the Helles, and I definitely get that strawberry. It's coming through a little bit more now. It's really good. I highly recommend it. Again, Feed My Brain from Woodland Empire, made with lactose and strawberries, clocking in at 4.6%. Real quick. And we got a comment from Sergio Beta, that's my brother. My roommate and I were wondering the science behind the old saying, liquor before beer, you're in the clear. Beer before liquor, you're never sicker. Or however it goes. Episode idea. Yeah, I think that's a great episode idea, except for I'm gonna have to work on that one because I might have to test it out myself. So we'll see. Like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. You guys have a good one. It's cool.